So okay guys, today's video is going to be really short. I'm just going to be showing you how I attached some LEDs to these cheap Amazon FreeSkates. Now with that said, the method I chose to go about this is really simple, and you could probably get it done with just some scissors, some clear tape, and you don't really even need soldering. You just need a 3-volt or 3.3 volt button cell battery, and you basically want to cut up a section of your fairy string into 4 LEDs. Now when you got your 4 LEDs cut, you just attach them to the skate. You don't want to drag them out under the wheel, obviously. Go through the middle of the skate if you have an S-style bracket skate like I got. And even then, you should be able to do this on JMK skates. Again, just keep in mind where you want the LEDs, you want them more inwards on the deck instead of outwards, because if you want to do a flip or a kick trick, those LEDs might get caught on your shoe, so try to keep them closer to the center of the deck as possible. If you do that, then you can do grind tricks and various other tricks without having to worry about your LEDs getting caught up or grinded to oblivion. Anyway, I 3D printed a button cell holder and made a little clip so that the wires just clip onto the button cell, but then again, you don't really need to go about doing that. That's why I said this doesn't really need any tools or time at all to get done. But overall, I've been rocking this setup for the last 2 weeks, and so far, both LEDs on both my skates have been doing really good. I do, however, want to 3D print or make a really simple gravity switch and maybe make a part 2 to this, because I want to make a switch that only turns on when the skates are upright. I think if you do it like that, you'll save battery and it will perform a lot better. And also, if you do a trick where you need to grab a skate while you're riding only one skate, for example, you won't be constantly staring at the light from the other skate shining in your face. It should just turn off the moment you pick the skate up or light up again when the skate's back on the ground. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it for this video. Feel free to take it a step farther. Don't use tape if you don't want. Use some epoxy or super glue, and they'll probably stay in better shape than they will with the tape. But overall, I gotta say this is a much better method than buying LED wheels, because once the batteries in your wheels die, you can't replace them. However, if the batteries in the deck die, all you can do is just replace the button cell and they're good to go. But yeah, like I said, that's basically it for this video, and I'm gonna leave it off here now. DTPK signing off. Peace. Program them independently whenever I want to do a specific game? Well, the answer is no. I pre-programmed them, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of other results that I had, or some other results that you could get with